Hello everybody, Nikki White here, and today I'm super excited to unbox and share with you a collaboration I did with the Japanese company Sakuralala, and this is a Stay Fluffy Club acrylic stamp set. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the stamps fresh out of the box and also doing a little demo on how to use them. And just a PSA that you can buy these stamps and the acrylic block that they come with on my website. And if you're based in Japan, then I would recommend buying from Sakuralala directly to save on shipping costs. Okay, we are going to play with these stamps and I'm going to show you how to use them. These are my different colored inks because of course you can actually stamp in different colored inks. It doesn't have to be black, but we're going to start with black so that I can color them in. Here they are, fresh in the pack. And I wanted to show kind of true to what the stamp would look like on the back. Ta-da! The stamp sheet comes with the stamps and an acrylic sheet. That's what's giving it these colors to show off an example of what you could do. It looks like the acrylic sheet is on the back. These are the stamps. So let's start with Stay Fluffy Club official member. You're gonna peel the stamp off. And this will show you where to put it back. Oh my gosh, Bob. With this acrylic block that is included when you buy from my store, we are going to put the flat side down on here as the base. So it's gonna look like this. And then we are gonna grab the ink pad. This is my first time doing this too, so I'm new to this. Not too sure. Oh, I already blew it. But let's just stamp it anyways. Cute! So I'm just gonna kind of tap until I get the hang of it. And when you're done, you're gonna wipe off the stamp. A good way to tell if the stamp is on correctly is when you're looking at the acrylic block. Like if you flip it, it should be right side up. When you're looking at it here, it's upside down. So yeah, it's like the flat side that goes on the acrylic block. And then you're just gonna peel it off. So it's kind of like a gummy bear in its natural state. So you're gonna put the flat side back on the acrylic sheet as well. It's gonna just mimic what is on there. Let's try Osito. Osito. Bro kind of looking like a little gummy bear. And that's why you need the acrylic block. So I'm gonna put the flat side down. Let's see if I'm any better this time. I feel like this is definitely gonna take practice. I cleaned up the Osito stamp. I'm gonna try it. I really wanna try it with this brown ink, which I've never used before either, because that's like his color palette. Although he might be a little big for this, or he might fit perfectly. Oh yeah, that's so cute. Look how cute! There we have it in his color palette. That went better than the black ink, so I don't know if like this ink is more forgiving or I'm already just getting better.